Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and confirming connectivity. This prevents interruptions. Once signed in, tap New Chat and select your preferred model and language so responses match your needs. Make sure permissions like microphone are enabled if you want voice input, and grant notifications for updates. Save any API key or account recovery info now. Without it, you may lose access. These initial choices shape response style and latency, so pick settings that fit your workflow before moving on. You now focus on crafting prompts that get useful answers. Begin with brief context, state the exact goal, and specify the format you want, for example, a bulleted list or code block, so the model knows how to respond. Once done, include constraints like word limits or tone, and provide a short example if needed. This reduces back and forth. If output is off, refine your prompt by adding clarifying details or asking targeted follow-ups to steer the assistant toward the result you need. Finish by reviewing the response, editing for accuracy, and asking the assistant for revisions or sources when necessary. Once satisfied, pin or export the conversation to retain results and reproduce workflows later. Make sure you test outputs against trusted references for critical tasks. If the app misbehaves, try simple fixes. Update the app, clear cache, or sign out and back in. If results are irrelevant, rephrase the prompt with clearer constraints or provide additional context to improve accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.